Hey everyone, and welcome to our video today. I am Eleni, your Path to Motherhood mentor, and I work with women all over the world to help them in their journey to conception, pregnancy, birth, and postpartum through nutrition, movement, and mindset. And today we're talking about something that presents really often in my practice and fertility conversations, a hormone called AMH, or Anti-Müllerian Hormone. I know all about this because when I was 26 years old, doctors told me my AMH was low, which might mean I was close to menopause. They said I should freeze my eggs and take hormones. But guess what? A few years later, I got pregnant naturally. Many women that I see in my fertility clinic present with low AMH, and if this is your case, stay with me. Let's break this down in a simple way. AMH is just one small part of the whole fertility story. A lot of doctors put too much focus on it. They use it to guess how many eggs a woman has left or if she might be close to menopause. This can make lots of women worried they can't make babies anymore. But here's the thing, having a baby isn't just about what the numbers say, it's about your whole body. How healthy you are, your lifestyle, and even your feelings and the timing. Your fertility can't just simply be portrayed in a blood test. It is way more complex and layered than that. We know that because we all know of women who had babies against all odds and others who are perfectly healthy with perfect blood tests and can't get pregnant. So we need to be careful and look at the whole picture, not just one test result. Your journey to having a baby is about more than just what's in that test tube. It's about your overall health and happiness. As a nutritionist who helps women get ready to have babies, I say don't worry too much about AMH. You don't need to have a huge ovarian reserve. You just need one good egg. So instead, let's focus on things you can actually do something about. Things like making your eggs healthier, balancing your hormones, taking care of the lining inside your womb, reducing stress, keeping your gut healthy, and avoiding harmful stuff in your environment. So here is what you can focus on instead of AMH. Make your eggs healthier. Good egg quality is key for getting pregnant. You can help this by eating healthy, taking antioxidants, and cutting down on things like coffee and alcohol. Check my video on how to improve your egg quality. Number 2, balance your hormones. It's important to have a good balance between your two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. This helps you have regular periods and a better chance of getting pregnant. But when we are referring to hormonal balance, these two are not the only ones. Cortisol, your stress hormone, DHEA, and thyroid hormones are also important to be balanced. Number 3, take care of your endometrial lining. A thick and healthy endometrial lining is really important for embryo implantation. Drink plenty of water and eat foods with vitamin E and omega-3s. And make sure you do not over-exercise. I cannot stress enough how important it is to not over-exercise. Stop worrying about AMH. Obsessing about this marker is only increasing your stress levels, and it is therefore counterproductive to your conception journey. Explore other markers such as vitamin D, inflammatory markers, CoQ10, just to name a few. Look into overall health markers instead of just fertility markers. Subfertility is also a result of an imbalanced gut, heavy metals, and dysregulated adrenals, and you can test for all of these. Finally, believe in your body. Having faith and cultivating deep trust that your body can do this is really important. A positive mindset can be just as important as being physically healthy. Trust your body, trust your future baby, trust the journey. Every woman's path to having a baby is different. It's so important to think about everything, your body, mind, emotions, and spirit. That's what I do with my clients. We look at everything, not just one part. Having a baby is a miracle that involves all parts of you. So stick with me as we explore how to take care of your whole self on your journey to becoming a mom.